Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Chilla Beauty, and yes, I film about lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, and entrepreneur from IBADAN, Nigeria. And if you are new on my channel, welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for watching my video. Actually, this video is a requested video on how I install my Afro ponytail. So guys, I have a video on my channel on how I make the Afro ponytail itself. Everything I use is inside the video. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Please go and check it out and comment, like, and share. So guys, I'll leave you to watch this video. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know which video you want us to put out next on my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.